All right, so one format that's really been working lately for TikTok affiliate creators is giving several products in a video, some that you would recommend and some that you wouldn't. And in my opinion, there's two main reasons that this is so effective. First and foremost, it builds actual trust with the people watching because if you're telling them not to buy a product and why you feel that way, then they're much more likely to believe you when you then tell them that you want them to buy a product, right? Do buy something. Too many videos, in my opinion, feels like sales pitches. They just aren't believable, right? But this cuts all through that because you're telling them, hey, don't buy these. This is why, but here's some that I do recommend. And the second reason that I think it's so effective is because it gives several different products in one video. So, for example, if a viewer isn't interested in one, well, they might be interested in another. Sometimes you can make them on related type of niche products, and sometimes they're completely unrelated. So it really doesn't matter which way you approach it. I would just test this format. Now, I'm going to give you 10 different hooks that you can use in the beginning of your videos to achieve this format well. All of these, like I said, can work for you. You just plug in the specific products that you want to recommend, and then obviously the ones that you don't. Play around with the format of it. In my opinion, it works best if you kind of go like, hey, here's two products I don't recommend. Here's a product I do. Here's two products I don't recommend. Here's a product I do. And generally speaking, it also helps if the products that you're not recommending, you're like a contrarian on, right? Like, hey, these are all over TikTok right now. People are recommending them. Here's why I don't think they're a good buy after, a week of use or a month of use or whatever. Now, I'm going to give you the 10 hooks here in a second. And again, just plug your products into them. But this is the start of a new series that I want to do on this channel where I'm going to call it Uncut Insights. And it's going to be a little bit more raw where I'm just talking to the camera about, hey, this is what's working for me lately in e-commerce, whether it's TikTok affiliates, Amazon, Etsy, mainly TikTok affiliates right now because that's what I'm doing a ton of. I really want to focus on the tips in the videos, right? The information. I feel like too often I get carried away. Other creators get carried away with like flashy edits and B-roll and motion graphics on the screen. And it becomes more about like entertainment eye value instead of the actual information that's in the video that can help you, right? So I definitely want to start focusing on a series. We'll call it, like I said, Uncut Insights, where I'm just going to create a playlist of all these tips, give you all the tips super quickly, and hopefully it helps you. Let me know in the comments below if you like that format. Here are the actual hooks. I'm going to go through each one by one. You can just go to learnecom.net, the wall behind me. Also, it's always linked in the description if you want to check it out. All of these are blog articles that I'm starting to create and then email to my email list. So again, if you want to hop on the email list or you just want to read the blog, go to learnecom.net. And if you want to hop on the email list so you get all these like updates when I actually drop them, you can just go to that Stay Updated newsletter and join that way. So the first one is everybody talks about these TikTok products, but here are ones that are secretly underrated versus ones that are way overhyped. That's a good one that's been working for me. As a TikTok affiliate, I've tested a ton of products, and if I could keep 3 of them forever, it would be these 3. Another good one. Don't waste your money on these trending TikTok products, but this one actually shocked me with how good it was. That's the third one. The fourth one is I thought this product was a total gimmick, but after testing it, I was actually blown away. Here's what I found. A lot of these are going to be like, hey, here's ones that I don't recommend, and here's a few that I do. Some of them are just specifically focused on ones that you're going to recommend. But again, test different formats. The overall strategy behind this works. Plug and play different products and different hooks. The fifth one is this is what TikTok shows you versus what actually shows up at your doorstep. Some of these are hilarious fails, and some are worth every penny. If you're getting serious about drop shipping, then you need to check out AutoDS. Now, I've talked about it in other videos, but in short, it's an all-in-one automation tool that's going to help save you time, make smarter decisions, and scale your store much faster. Whether you're selling on Shopify, Facebook Marketplace, eBay, Wix, WooCommerce, TikTok Shop, AutoDS has your back. It handles product importing, order fulfillment, price and stock monitoring, and even customer messaging for you. Basically, everything that normally takes hours is done automatically. And one of my favorite features is the winning product finder. So instead of guessing what to sell, they're going to show you what's trending right now with real data, real profit margins, supplier info, and even ready-to-use photos, which is a game changer. And the product description's already crafted. And you can literally import the products into your store with one click. Once it's in your store, AutoDS will keep it all updated automatically. So if your supplier runs out of stock or changes the price, your listing adjusts right away with no manual fixes. And
no customer issues and no headaches for you. And when it comes to order fulfillment, it is fully automated, which is again a game changer. And that's something that will cause you a ton of headaches if you don't set it up that way right from the beginning as you scale. It's fully automated, and the second you get an order, AutoDS is going to place it, it's going to track it, and also update your customer all for you without lifting a finger. That is the kind of automation that gives you more time to actually grow your business instead of constantly putting out fires, which just thinking about it gives me so much anxiety. It also includes a full custom branding tool, a dropshipping academy to help teach you things, and analytics to track everything from profit to shipping speeds for every product. And the best part is you can try it out just for $1. $1 for the first 30 days. That's it. You get access to every single thing, and you can see for yourself how much easier it makes running and scaling your store. If you're tired of juggling suppliers, if you're tired of updating spreadsheets manually and the late night customer messages, AutoDS might be exactly what you've been missing. Click the link below in the description and start your trial today.
The sixth one is these TikTok products actually paid for themselves because I use them so often. Let me show you. The seventh is I've tested a lot of TikTok products, and these are hands down the best ones under 20 bucks that actually deliver. The next one is these are products I would rebuy in a heartbeat and the ones that I regret buying completely. The next one is I ordered this thinking it would be trash, but this product completely surprised me. Here's why. And finally, stop scrolling. If you've been seeing this product all over TikTok, here's the truth after actually using it. And a bonus that turn on the camera and I start recording, or turn on the phone and start recording if it's a TikTok video. So one that I use all the time is, as a TikTok affiliate, I've tested hundreds or maybe even 1,000 products now. And there are definitely some that are not worth the money and are overhyped, but some that I would pay double or triple for. Here they are. And I'll just get into the specific products, right? So you get the picture. Those are hooks that can actually work for you. Try these hooks. Try this format out. It's really been working well lately, not just for me, but for tons of other creators too. You're going to see this format all over the place if you haven't already. I really, really hope it helps. Like I said before, if you want to hop on the email list where you constantly get these updates, that's linked below, or just go to learnecom.net. All these will be in the searchable blog with tips, and I'll turn them into videos here where we're going to call this segment Uncut Insights. So hopefully you like the information in here. It won't be as flashy, but the tips and tricks are going to be what's working for me right now. They can also definitely help you as well, right? And shameless plug here, if you do want thousands in affiliate commission fast on TikTok, my affiliate jumpstart will get you there as fast as possible. You can enroll through the link in the description below. I will make it a special discount link for this first Uncut Insights. You can get $50 off if you join through that. It's super cheap anyway, but that will get you to $1,000 in commission and then some very quickly. It is not some long drawn out course. It's literally the shortest possible pieces of content that I think you need to get up and running on TikTok fast, select the right products that are actually gonna be winners, how to make the videos, and everything that entails in between from A to Z. It will get you from where you are now, wherever that is, to successful TikTok affiliate very quickly, all right? So let me know if you like this format, and I hope it helps.